Saturday, August 5th. We were busy today. Lots of people from out of town. We have Longleaf Country Club, golf course, family club is all about kids golf. And so there was a kids golf tournament this weekend. And so we had people from California and all over the place. So fun. Chrissy found this. This is a free pattern today and tomorrow, through tomorrow. This is a free pattern on Ravelry. I think it's until midnight, August 6th. Hope for the Flowers by Melissa Labar. And so, since it's a free pattern, Chrissy, and it's new, Chrissy thought, why wouldn't she put together some color combos for you? So it's a 3-color hat in fingering. So she's picked out some great color combos. She is mixing the Universal Minis, and these guys are only $5.50 a piece. So you don't have to buy a whole skein of fingering just to get your color work done. So she's chosen 2 of these minis, and this Heritage, which is, $13. This as close to the original as possible. I think it's pretty darn close. So this is number 1. So if you like one of these, just remember the number. This is number 1. All right, this is number 2. This is 4 minis at $5.50 a piece. So the main color would be the hunter green, and then the 2 accents would be the blue and the rust. This is number 2. Number 2. All right. This is number 3. 2 minis and a navy. This is navy blue. Number 3. Okay. This is number 4. Number 4. Okay. This is number 5. I like that one. And last but not least, this is very fun. This is number 6. All right. Little happy one, little brighter, little perky. All right, we have 6 combos, or I can put together any combo that you might be interested in. So if you're interested, free pattern on Ravelry through tomorrow night. So there you go. Happy day. Hope for the Flowers. Love it. We got another kids camp next week, 5 days of kids camp, 10 to 12 every day. So it'll be busy in the mornings for sure. And what else? Next Sunday is our Art of Color retreat. There's only a few spaces left, and it's going to be a spa, relax, indulge yourself day. All you're going to do is absorb and play with color, and you're going to have fun with other people, and you're going to sip a mimosa, and you're going to have some yummy food, and you'll have lunch, and you'll have some sort of a massage and some sort of yoga-ish something going on. I'm having a little bit of a trouble trying to find that person. Anyway, we will be doing that, and then a little more color work in the afternoon. It will be just a lovely day, and you will leave happy, refreshed, energized, excited about color, and satiated from yummy food. So it'll be a great day. Treat yourself. $250 plus you get a full rewards card. So that's like me handing you back $25. Go to the website, go to the Art of Color. You'll see the big logo right there on our page of events, and there it'll be. All right, click it. Join us. All right. Have a lovely, peaceful, prayerful, supposed to be beautiful tomorrow. So have a beautiful Sunday, and I will see you Monday.